Who is Aung La Nsang? In the world of mixed martial arts, very few fighters represent an entire nation the way Aung La Nsang does. Known as the Burmese Python, Aung La Nsang became a symbol of pride, strength, and determination for Myanmar. But who exactly is Aung La Nsang? How did a young man from Myanmar become one of Asia's biggest MMA superstars? This is the story of courage, hard work, and the rise of a national hero. Early life. Aung La Nsang was born on May 21, 1985 in Myanmar. He belongs to the Kachin ethnic group, one of the many ethnic communities in the country. At a young age, he moved to the United States to continue his education and pursue a better future. Life in a new country was not easy. He had to adapt to a completely different culture and environment. While studying in America, Aung La discovered martial arts. What started as simple training soon became a passion that would change his life forever. He trained in Brazilian jiu-jitsu, boxing, wrestling, and kickboxing. Over time, he transformed himself into a complete mixed martial artist, beginning of his MMA career. Like many fighters, Aung La started from the bottom. He fought in small events and local competitions, slowly building his experience. At first, not many people knew his name. But inside the cage, his fearless fighting style quickly attracted attention. Aung La was known for his aggressive attacks, powerful striking, and incredible heart. Even in difficult situations, he refused to give up. His dedication eventually earned him a place in One Championship, Asia's biggest MMA organization. And that was the beginning of something special. Rise to fame. When Aung La joined One Championship, Myanmar fans immediately supported him. For many people, he was more than just a fighter. He represented hope and national pride. One of the biggest moments in his career came in 2017. Aung La faced Vitaly Bigdash for the One Middleweight World Championship. Many people doubted him, but Aung La shocked the world with an incredible performance. After 5 hard rounds, he won the fight and became world champion. For the first time, Myanmar had a global MMA champion. The country celebrated his victory with joy and pride. Thousands of fans welcomed him back home like a national hero. But Aung La was not finished yet. In 2018, he defeated Alexandre Machado to become the One Light Heavyweight world champion. That made him a 2-division world champion, one of the greatest achievements in MMA. Most memorable fights. Aung La has participated in many unforgettable battles. One of his most famous rivalries was against Ken Hasegawa from Japan. Their fights were intense, emotional, and action-packed. Fans especially remember their first fight in Yangon, Myanmar. In front of thousands of screaming fans, Aung La delivered a dramatic knockout victory in the final round. Another important victory came against Brandon Vera, a well-known heavyweight fighter from the Philippines. These victories proved that Aung La could compete against the best fighters in Asia. His impact on Myanmar. Aung La Nsang's success inspired millions of people in Myanmar. He showed young people that with discipline and hard work, dreams can become reality. Even outside the cage, Aung La is respected for his humility and kindness. He often speaks about unity, education, and helping communities. For many fans, he is not only a champion fighter, he is also a role model. From a young student living abroad to becoming an international MMA superstar, Aung La Nsang's journey is truly inspiring. He fought through challenges, believed in himself, and carried the hopes of an entire nation into the cage. Today, Aung La Nsang remains one of Myanmar's greatest sports icons and one of the most respected fighters in Asian MMA history. And his story continues to inspire future generations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Who should we talk about next? Let us know in the comments below.